Hello everybody. So I know the last two videos on the channel were without any voice instruction. So for this one, again, I'm just trying something different to kind of see if I can meet my followers halfway. I know the without voice kind of seems a little bit boring initially. I mean, like I was not really up for just having to just post a video without any instruction because it kind of seemed a little incomplete. So I figured, let me try this to see how this works. And the reason I decided to do this one this way is because now at the place I'm staying, we have some new construction that's going on in the morning time. So there's like a jackhammer and all kinds of construction related noises. So it's just kind of like playing tag as to getting the right time or finding the right time to record. So what I did was I made this video or recorded this video 2 days ago, and I did want to upload it today, but since I didn't have this voiceover done, I figured I'd do it and see how you guys like it. So for this video, pretty much as you can tell, I've drawn a leaf, and it's just a random leaf out of memory. I mean, it's not any particular leaf. And at first I just wanted to just draw the line art and just color the leaf green, but I figured once I did the shading, or at least at this point, I was like, you know what, let me make it more interesting. So I figured I'd make it like kind of like a textured leaf, which is something you see, I guess, in leaves that are dead and fallen on the floor. So I figured I'd do this one in a green leaf to make it somewhat interesting. So for this part, I just used the stylus or the Apple pencil and did the initial shading. And then for the texture part, which will probably come up in another few minutes from now, I figured to do something I've not really done in the other videos I've posted, and do a little bit more detail on the shading. What was I gonna say? This video is not completely in real time. What I did was I just kind of sped up the motion, which is like now in real time it's a little bit slower than this. So I just kind of increase it, I think by maybe half an X or 1x or whatever. So it looks decent in the aspect of, I mean, it's not like lagging, and for you guys watching, you kind of get the idea of what is it I'm doing. So I don't know, what else can I say? As I said, I mean, this is not my cup of tea of doing a voiceover. I prefer having to make the video and talk and or let you know what I'm doing in real time, because then it's more authentic in the aspect of, I mean, y'all can see what I'm drawing and y'all can also listen to it at the same time. But see, that's the cool thing about drawing. It's something that you don't really need voice instruction. Like, even though the past two videos have had no voice, I mean, you'll pretty much get an idea as to what the video is. Like the spaghetti and meatballs pretty much stated as how to draw spaghetti and meatballs, and you'll just follow along, and then so on with the video game. So for this one, the reason I chose to do this voiceover is to see if this is something that I can do in videos going forward, and see, maybe hopefully this might be something, I don't know if it's really a consolation or if it's something that will help you guys, but I don't know, I just wanted to record this and see how it goes. This the shading part, I wanted to try something a little bit different and do it in a slow motion, or not a slow motion. I kind of didn't want to do the time lapse, and I kind of just wanted to show you in real time with a little bit of speed added to it how I do my shading, which I think I did it in the tea and the samosa video. So if y'all have not watched that, I mean, I want to consider watching that, and I kind of show y'all what I do in that, because that was a subscriber that sent me a message or a comment asking if I could do the coloring in real time. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments if this helps, and if y'all could follow along. I mean, you don't have to follow along at this pace. If for whatever reason, if you feel I'm rambling on or talking too fast, I mean, you can always pause the video and then replay it when you get to the point where you think you should be in the video. But at the end of the day, I mean, these voiceovers and doing the drawing, I mean, my goal is to teach the beginners out there is to how to draw. I mean, it doesn't have to look exactly the way I draw it. I mean, what I'm showing you guys is just a demo, and you can choose to draw the leaf any way you want. This is the way I chose to draw this one, and by no means this is not a leaf per se that's of an actual tree. I mean, it's just something out of memory. But now that I think about it more, I think it kind of looks more close to a mango tree leaf, which is, it kind of looks like a mango tree leaf, so we'll call it the abstract mango tree leaf. So I don't know. I know the video is about almost close to 12 minutes long, and as I said, the only reason it's that long is because I didn't speed it up, or I didn't want to do a time lapse. I just wanted to kind of put it out there so that way you guys could follow along and basically have fun. I mean, and that's my goal with all the videos on the channel and whatever I've uploaded till now, is to be able to enjoy what y'all are doing and have fun. And I think when I was thinking about making this channel and thinking to do it on the tablet, I don't think if anybody else has actually even done something in Adobe Fresco per se. I mean, because I looked it up on YouTube and I didn't really find nothing much, unless maybe I've just not typed in the correct search terms. So the cool part about doing these instructional videos in a digital format is you have the ability to repurpose the art, or at least the line art of this. I mean, I always tell it in my other channel to the people that follow that, the line art is something that you can possibly turn into a coloring book at a later time. And there's so much opportunity when it comes to doing things digital as opposed to doing it traditional. Because originally I had thought about doing the channel in a traditional format where it would be like just paper and a marker, but then I was like, what am I going to do with the art once it's actually done? Now with this, once I make the video and I upload it, I'll keep the finished video for a day or two, and just as a backup, just in case if I have to redo the video or something, I keep it just as a backup. And if everything goes well, then I just delete that and then move on to the next, so that saves place on my tablet. I'm really struggling with words as to what else I can say, because everything is pretty much in the video. It's as I think I made it as simple as could be. I know I did it as a textured leaf. You don't really have to do it that way. You can just do a regular leaf and just do the shading whichever way you like. At the end of the day, it's all about trying different things. So the goal is, again, I would like to make videos that are appealing to the most audience, or to the people that are out there that kind of feel like they don't have it in them to draw, and just let you know that drawing is not hard. You just have to practice it, and if this one doesn't come out good, just try the next one and keep at it. I didn't get excellent. I don't consider myself excellent at art. I mean, because there are so many other artists out there that are way better than me. But with that being said, what I want to do on this channel is just to teach, and hopefully I will provide some value to somebody out there, and you'll have fun drawing along. So I don't know. I mean, let me know in the comments, guys, what you thought about this voiceover. I mean, there's nothing scripted. I mean, it's just me hitting the record button and just recording this. I mean, that's nothing. I don't believe in scripts or trying to read off a script, because it just messes everything up. I just wanted to say what's on my mind, and hopefully you'll enjoy this. But if y'all don't, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for y'all not to have a good time while drawing this little leaf. But anyway, guys, I guess since the video is almost coming close to the end, I guess I'll wrap this up by saying, keep creating, keep drawing, and always keep practicing, because you're just one drawing closer to where you need to be. And y'all can I don't know, keep drawing, I guess. So till the next video, guys, I hope this was fun, and I hope I kind of explained to y'all why I was trying not to make the voiceover videos and just do it in real time, but because of the construction, hopefully that made it clear. So alright, guys, take care and see you for now.